welcome to another video, guys. So today I'm at Silom 20. I am like right across from Furama Silom, a hotel, and there's a nice food street over here, so I'm gonna take you guys around it. There's lots of different street foods, little places to eat. So let's see what they have. So take a look at this. You can see they've got lots of little seats out here where you can enjoy different things to eat. There's a little indoor restaurant. So you see they got pad thai, they got fried basil on rice, Tomka. Hey. I think I'll do fried big noodle.
You want the vegetarian, chicken, shrimp?
Chicken, okay.
Chicken. Eat here?
Yeah, eat here, and then I'll do the Tomka Guy with rice.
How spicy?
A little bit. Alright guys, look at that, a delicious Tomka Guy. So, if you guys are curious about Tomka Guy, it's basically a coconut milk soup. They've got bamboo shoots, they've got lemongrass chicken, they've got green vegetables, they've got mushrooms. I probably have some red chilies mixed in there to make it spicy. But yeah, it's a nice creamy sweet soup. I really like it. Tomka Guy. And then on the side they give me some. Alright guys, so another thing I got is the stir-fried big noodles with chicken. So these are some nice big noodles mixed with egg and chicken, and it looks like they give me some kind of red sour sauce on the side, so this should be really good. Alright guys, so here I am with these big noodles. You can see this is a lovely noodle dish mixed with some chicken and bits of egg. Hot. Be careful. Delicious. Very good. And let me try a little bit of this sauce on there. Let's see what the sauce does. The sauce should be pretty good. Looks like they got little bits of chicken on there. Sort of a sweet and sour type of sauce. It's really good. Grab a piece, dunk it in there. Really good. The noodles are moist and they're starchy. They're very filling. Nice. This alone probably could be enough to make a meal. Well, for me, probably not, but for some people, this is definitely enough for a meal. And this is just 50 baht. If you want vegetarian, it's only 40 baht. So that's pretty dang good for Bangkok. Right, now coming up over here is the Tomka Guy. So you guys can see this is a nice creamy coconut soup. You guys can see this. Oh man, I'm gonna try the broth alone. Wow, that's good, but man, it is hot. Gotta be careful. This is a very flavorful Tomka Guy. So good. It's like they use just the right amount of lemongrass. Right, just the amount of coconut milk. Oh yeah, chicken is nice and tender. It tastes incredible, guys. You guys have got to get the Tomka Guy when you come here. Oh, alright guys, so I've ordered a couple of different things. I've got a delicious Tom Yum Kung. So if you guys see, it's got a broth of lime juice and some different spices. It's got mushrooms, different vegetables. This is Tom Yum Kung, so it's got shrimp. Let me see if I can pull this. Yeah, so you see it's got shrimp mixed in, it's got lemongrass, different herbs. Yeah, I like Tom Yum Kung a lot. Over here is chicken over rice with garlic mixed in. And over here is a delicious pork fried rice. Alright guys, here, so to start out, I've got this delicious pork fried rice. I'm gonna try this. Got an onion in this bite. Very good fried rice. If we dig underneath here, there's a piece of pork. I'm gonna try this. That is really great fried rice, by the way. You guys have got to get pork fried rice when you come to Bangkok. Alright, this here is the Tom Yum Kung. So this is what I'm probably the most excited about. This is one of my all-time favorites in Thailand. I'm gonna try this. Oh wow. Wow, that's amazing. The Tom Yum Kung is so good. They've clearly got some coconut milk mixed in with this broth. You can see this is a little bit more of a creamy broth. Wow. Tom Yum Kung maybe tastes a little bit like Gang Sam, although I think Gang Sam is a lot more sour than Tom Yum Kung. Wow. Look at this, guys. I've got a whole shrimp in this bud. Wow. Tom Yum just goes so well with shrimp. Hot. That was kind of a hot bite. Try this next one. So last but not least, guys, we've got the garlic chicken white rice. So let's try this. We got little bits of garlic on top of that. Very garlicky. Tastes amazing. The chicken is fresh, tender. The garlic is a little bit strong, but it's really good. And the bed of white rice makes for a beautiful contrast. Alright guys, well I gotta say Silom 20 is an absolutely fantastic food market, very affordable prices, especially for something right in the center of Bangkok. Things are not cheap here. So this is definitely a place you want to come across. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out these links to some of my other videos. Feel the burn for Bernhardt's World. And take care, everybody. Have a good one.